To generate an image from a text prompt in Artlist AI, you use the AI image generation tool that converts written descriptions into visual outputs. This allows you to create concept art, backgrounds, thumbnails, or creative visuals simply by describing what you want to see. Start by opening your browser and going to Artlist AI. Log in using your Artlist account so you can access the AI tools available on the platform. Once you are inside the dashboard, locate the AI image generator section. Click on the option to create or generate a new image. This will open the image generation interface, where you can enter your text prompt. The prompt box is where you describe the image you want the AI to create. When writing your prompt, it is important to be clear and detailed. Include the main subject of the image, the style you want, the environment, lighting, and mood. For example, instead of writing a city, you can write a cinematic futuristic city at night with neon lights and reflective streets in cyberpunk style. The more detail you provide, the more accurate and refined your result will be. After entering your prompt, you may also see optional settings depending on the tool version. These can include aspect ratio selection, style presets, image quality adjustments, or variation count. Adjust these settings based on the type of output you want. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. The AI will begin processing your prompt and create one or more image variations based on your description. This may take a few seconds depending on complexity and server load. After the images are generated, review the results carefully. If the output is not exactly what you wanted, you can refine your prompt by adding more details or adjusting style keywords. Then regenerate the image for improved results. When you are satisfied with the final output, you can download the image directly to your device. This image can then be used for design projects, presentations, social media content, or creative development work. It is recommended to experiment with different prompt styles to understand how the AI responds. Small changes in wording can significantly affect the final output, so refining your prompt is an important part of the process. And that's how you generate an image from a text prompt in Artlist AI. Open the generator, enter a detailed prompt, adjust settings if needed, generate the image, and download your final result for use in your projects.